Day hakum gani Sngi ba borok we gari ga kanmau borom ya ka lingko Sngi yap jong menteri rangba do berem gari Rajiv Gandhi ubla kolon yap hagakti jong kileno hagasnem chejar knai spa knai puwei ka jingsmu jong kate jing Rakhie ya ka anti terrorism day ka long ru ban penchlur bat kentu yiki pai ba bagim de banting re ban yang perca yiki kam leno badru yiki kam thambor habarok kilyang menteri rangba kejelau Dr. Mukul Sangma habakran hakate ke jingelang ga bakerpang ulong baki kam pentrim baki kam leno kikta hadu kata tang ya ka songsuk songsain re kata bar ka penchong sier wat ya jingim balului jong ginong songsong ke baju kala long gisop dong klempoi perkat ha ka jingkren ka jong ulong ba barok ginong songsong kidon ya ka hok balai lut kum ginong songsong jong kari re ka jingdon jong kum kite ki kunhun pentrim bar ki kunhun leno ka pelong pat ya ki pai ba banca knino ya ka hok ka balai lut ka jong kiru.
It's a day when we all come together and pledge amongst ourselves to see how each one of us can contribute in our fight against terrorism. The world over, as we see, the acts of terrorism has been creating lots of sufferings amongst the people, and the suffering inflicted upon the people is not confined to one particular section. It's across the sections. We see how innocent people, including women and children, are being displaced and are forced to leave their place of stay, even their place of, rather, even their own country. And how this fallout of terrorism can actually ultimately destabilize the nations and also pose a threat for global peace. India, having abiding faith in our country's tradition, of non-violence and tolerance, hereby solemnly affirm to oppose with our strength all forms of terrorism and violence. We pledge to uphold and promote peace and social harmony and understanding among all fellow human beings and fight the forces of destruction and